everyone, thank you for joining me today. So make sure at this point in the video you pause. You can get all of the measurements right off of the screen here, and then you can cut your papers, start the play button, and come join me at the craft table. So I already have everything pre-stamped and ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and start putting everything together. And with the measurements on here, I did decide to do mats on each of the strips. So if it was 3/4 inch by 4 1/4, let's say, then I made my mats 1/8 of an inch bigger. So it would be 7/8 by 4 3/8 or something like that. So I did the same thing with the thin strip and with the one that was, I think it's 1 1/2. I did the same thing with this piece. And once we get these set up together, and if you notice, like on these last few videos, I don't have anything on the background, only because I really don't have that many large pieces anymore. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm using basically the scraps to create cards at the moment, because I'm literally down to the scraps and I think one full sheet. So it's not going to take me that long to finish this up. And I'm going to line up the matte edge to the very end of the card, kind of just like how it was shown in the sketch itself, but I'm just lining up the matte edge instead of the pattern paper, being by itself. And then adding the art glitter glue. And I just use my I kind of use the mats to line up, and then I like to hold it in front of me as well to make sure that I have it, kind of even throughout. So I'm just going to cut a little piece of foam tape because, like I said, I already had the sentiment done up before the start of the video. And I'm just adding some foam tape on the one side, and then I'm going to put the ATG tape and art glitter glue on the section that's actually going to go over top of my layered pattern paper, because they're already lifted up some, so I only needed really the foam tape on the other side, so that way it's nice and even. Alright. We're going to go ahead, and I use that foam tape also to help line it up right up against that mat, because it hits it kind of.